Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe and good. For grade 7, today we are going to revise the history chapter 1, that is tracing changes through the thousands of years. On first, we want to cover the maps. What is map? It is a pictorial representation of a place in a paper or in a leather. So, how was the earliest map it was, and who were the peoples they did from the world, different peoples they made the map, how they did, and who was the French cartographer who made the first map, and detailed view of the coastal and inland. That means in the map how they explain the coastal regions and the inlands, and improvement in cartograph, that is science in cartograph, how they gain the knowledge, how they improved themselves on drawing the maps, on making the maps. Historians and their sources, that is new and old terminology, how the name for our India, Hindustan, it came, and what is the region called as Hindustan in the old time, and now Hindustan means all over the India, that we want to cover. And the 16th century, the geographical and the cultural identity, how was the identity and how was the name, the terminology given to India is by the geographical and the cultural identity, and who were called as a foreigners. Now we call foreigners, those who are not an Indian, we will call as a foreigners. On ancient time, who were called as a foreigners. And how we get the histories, from what? That is by the coin, the inscriptions, the architecture, and the textual records. These are the things left by the past, the ancient peoples, for us to know what was happened on that time. That we are reforming that, and nowadays we are having a history on study of the ancient period time, and mainly about the manuscripts. In the 13th century only the paper was introduced, right? The paper, it was on the 13th century, the paper is expensive paper. Nowadays we are using the paper for wrapping the things. And about the manuscripts, the original manuscripts we can't see because the manuscripts contain lot of good things and holy things, that the people they started to copying it. So copy of that manuscripts will vary from one people to another. So nowadays the original of getting manuscripts in original is so difficult. About this, and new and social groups, what was the changes, people they started to move from one place to another, so it created a change in the society, a huge changes in society, changes in the food, the beverages. And on this is a period when the people they started from one place to another on the search of opportunity for doing the work, or in the search of opportunity they started moving from one place to another. So the habitat, if a group of people is moving from one place to another, along with them the culture as well as their habits, everything will be moved for one place. So the change in habitat also changed. The regional and the economical disparity arised on this period, and jatis and subcaste, all the new things, because the changes in the society, it was brought by the peoples because they moved from one place to another. The status of the jatis, they divided the people based on the work they do, that is called as a jati and subcaste. On the jati they have the leader, they want to follow the rules and regulation of the jatis, and that jati will be led by the old member of that jati group, that group of people, and this was called as the jatis. And they gave the status one rank to the jatis and subcaste based on the work the people they do. Among that, Rajaputs, they were called as most important status they occupied. They are called as a warriors. Not only the warriors, the king, the ruler, and the people those who did the war, and the loyalty. The best principle of the Rajaputs was loyalty. These peoples, they were called as Rajaputs, and languages and regions, based on the language the region was divided, and based on a separate place. If a Gujarat, there the people they will speak one language. In Punjab and Lucknow, everything, the people, everywhere, the people, they speak different languages, so the region was different. And the period, the period of historians was divided into large segments, the three segments. How the British historians, they divided the history of India, everything we have covered in the first chapter. So recall all the points and read the whole lesson for twice. Have a clear idea, children. Thank you and have a great day now.